I'm Ebenezer Maradesa, and currently I'm a fifth year medical student at the University of Abuja. I was at the CSA 2022 workshop that's held at Clinical in Unilag. I had never attended any boot camps or had anybody sit down to teach the workshop. The CSA served as a switching point that helped me to reconcile and redefine my interest in health and technology. Currently, I'm trying to build a digital health product for diabetes in Africa. CSA has tremendously improved how I approach and solve problems.
Impressive. What advice would you give to someone who is currently deciding whether they should apply for the workshop?
I'm saying it as someone who has felt the impact. You definitely want to be there. CSA Africa is doing something that needs to be done because a lot of us, all we need is a launch platform. All we need is something to act as a sort of switch, and CSA is that. And also for those of us that experience the boot camps, we would love it if we have organizations give us a platform, give us something to do, and let us see how things translate from the classroom to the real world. Anybody generally watching, please do not hold back on exploring your interests. You never know when you begin to see links to bring about valuable solutions to the world around you. So